Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu, welcome back to ichannel yami usahleli nogogo Patricia, right? So I had an interesting question in the comment section. Umuntu ebuza ethi gogo, what happens if ngiphupha bentshontsha imoto yami, yabo? Gogo, what happens if I dream somebody stealing my car? Okay, so that's a very interesting question because there's a video engiyenzile bantu abadala regarding imoto in dreams. So imoto in dreams, they have a lot of messages, and that's what ancestors normally tend to use, right? So there are a lot of scenarios whereby I will say don't take the answer as an all-rounder, because we can have a same dream, but something small, will differentiate how we interpret a dream for each person, right? So in your case, without assessing other prospects, of which if you've got any questions, you are most definitely welcomed to WhatsApp me for further questions, right? So in a car symbolizes a journey that you're supposed to take, uhambo, right? And if your car is being stolen, it will be, was it stolen where you hijacked, or was it stolen, it was parked outside you, when you went outside the car is gone, right? So it will symbolize that your journey, right, it's supposed to start, it's supposed to take off, but now awuna moto, your journey, I mean, if you don't have a car, you will not go to where you're supposed to go, or you will not arrive where you're supposed to arrive on time. So kwabanye abantu, from other people, it might be ukuthi esithunywa sakho, yabo, sitshontshiwe, noma your journey, maybe there's people that abantu abadala they send you to for you to get clarity regarding your journey, and abayiboni lento lena, whatever they're explaining to you, you're not getting, or they're not getting the message. So imoto yakho ayikho, iyathathwa, because of now you're not being shown the light, you're not being shown the road, indlela efanele uyithathe. You're not in your car, you're not where you're supposed to be. You understand? So I don't know if you guys understand, but that's the simplest way that I could answer the question. But anyways, guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to my channel. Can't wait to see you on to my next upload.